older, he brings bigger, noisier, and more powerful stuff every year, and he's done a fantastic job. All right, so Eggle has 150 cc. Dan's going to set his helicopter on one of the tables here on the north stand so you can take a look at it. Take a look at some of the technology that's in that aircraft. It's incredible. All right, here's Eggle set up. Go for it, Eggle. All right, here comes the Hawker Seafury. All right, watch the gear, watch the gear. The gear starts to come up slowly and in sequence, just like the real scale aircraft. He actually has a gear sequencer that makes it work just like the real aircraft. They come up slow and they come up beautifully. Thank you. I keep getting corrected. Usually it only happens when my wife is here, but one of the guys was telling me this is a real aircraft. But take a look. Listen to this thing sound. If you've ever been to a real air show and seen one of the actual warbirds fly, it sounds just like that. He's done just an incredible job building this miniature aircraft.
It looks like a real airplane.
You'll see the invasion stripes on the Hawker Seafury. Invasion stripes were put on the aircraft that participated in the Normandy invasion because there were so many aircraft in the air and they didn't have the identified friend and foe radio transponder. It flies so well. It's a 48-pound model aircraft. 48 pounds. Unfortunately, Jack Bug just won a pilot raffle. I'm sure he's not here, so Jack Bug, you won a pilot raffle? Jack Bug, you won a pilot raffle. He's crabbed into the wind. You can see he's done the crosswind correction there. All right, it's down, it's safe. Let's give, all right, it's fine, it's good. Let's give Eggle a big hand. Woo! It's tough flying this turbulence. He's doing us a real favor by showing this beautiful aircraft. 48-pound model.